To make a banana cake, we're gonna need 2 cups of pancake mix or wheat flour. And we're gonna need 2 bananas, smash them with the fork like this. We're also gonna need 3 eggs. And we're gonna need 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And half a cup of cooking oil. And we're gonna beat the eggs so they mix. And we're gonna add 2/3 of a cup of sugar. We're also gonna add the smashed banana. A teaspoon of baking powder. Pinch of salt. So now we're gonna mix them together with the wheat flour or pancake mix. Now we're gonna mix it, just move it a little bit, that way you don't get powder flying all over. And we're gonna melt half a cup of sugar. We're also gonna add 1/4 of a cup of water. And we're gonna add a layer of butter to the baking pan so it doesn't stick to it. So now the sugar is melted, we're gonna place it in the bowl here. We're gonna get it all over. Now we're gonna add the mix. And we're gonna preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. We're gonna place it in the oven. And we're gonna do 40 minutes. Now we're gonna check with a knife. If it comes out clean, that means it's ready. And it's ready. Now we're gonna give it a try. And we're gonna need 2 mashed bananas. Use smash them with the
fork.
With a fork like this. So now we're gonna add the pancake mix or wheat flour. So now we're gonna mix both the mix and this mix and and we're gonna cook half a cup of sugar and get it caramelized.